Hey, food lovers, have you ever wondered where Samgyetang, Korea's famous ginseng chicken soup, comes from? Let's dive into its history and why it's the ultimate dish for surviving the scorching summer. Samgyetang is more than just a comforting soup. It's a traditional Korean remedy packed with nutrition. Whole young chicken stuffed with sticky rice, ginseng, garlic, and jujubes, all simmered to perfection. Sounds pretty luxurious, right? But it actually has humble beginnings. If I rewind to the Joseon dynasty, there were already plenty of chicken soups, but Samgyetang as we know it didn't really show up until the early 20th century. Back then, using whole ginseng in cooking was a luxury, only made possible for everyday folks by advances in refrigeration and farming in the 1960s. That's when Samgyetang became a staple, not just a special treat. Now, here's a cool tradition. Koreans eat Samgyetang during the 3 hottest days of summer, called Sambok. The idea is to fight fire with fire. By eating hot, nourishing soup, you can replenish your energy and kick that summer fatigue. So how do you make it? Clean a small chicken, stuff it with soaked sticky rice, a piece of ginseng, a few jujubes, and garlic cloves. Close it up, cover it with water, and simmer until everything is tender and flavorful. Serve hot, and don't forget a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Next time you're sweating through summer, give Samgyetang a try. It's history, culture, and deliciousness in one bowl.